Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. I can't remember the last time I did a haul like this. It's been way too long. So I went in there with a mindset of looking for makeup because I want to do like a full face testing Dollar Tree makeup. But girl, I tripped and fell into the fall decor. So I did buy tons of fall decor and a very little amount of beauty because I was only able to find some things. My Dollar Tree apparently sucks and doesn't carry like any beauty items, literally like zero, like foundations, concealers, nothing. They had nothing. Okay, so I'm still gonna share what I bought because fall is around the corner and it is almost time to decorate, which I will be vlogging and like showing you guys how I decor for fall. So with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito. I have here my pumpkin spice drink from Starbucks. I just pulled it out of the fridge, so it's nice and cold. We're gonna sip on it and show you guys the goodies from Dollar Tree. So, yep, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's take a sip of our cafecito. So, clink, cheers, and enjoy. Oh my gosh, so good. If you love pumpkin spice drinks, this is a great one to buy and keep in your fridge. So let's go through the bags. First thing that I saw when I walked into the Dollar Tree are these pumpkins. So they are like, what is it called? Like the foam pumpkins, but they are covered in a velvet material and these are $5, which is still really affordable compared to like if you buy these at Joann's, at Michael's, Target, even Walmart. Like these are gonna be at least $7, $8, $10, something like that. So they're pretty expensive. So for $5, I was like, I need it. My decor mainly centers around oranges and like browns and neutrals, but I also add orange. So I got a few of these larger pumpkins because they were just too cute. They're really pretty. They have a like bronzy stem here, so I felt like it would go perfect with the decor that I will be pulling out very soon. I'm so excited. I just feel like it's a little too soon since I don't decorate for Halloween or spooky season. I don't celebrate Halloween. So I just wanted to wait a little bit longer, just a few more weeks to hold on to the fall decor. But this is the other one that I got. It's like an orange, like a mustard yellow orange. Definitely looks a little more orange on camera, but it is beautiful, you guys. Like these are insane. I literally wanted to buy every single color because they also had like a really pretty, like a sage green, they had teal, they had gray, they had so many colors, but I didn't want to go crazy since I don't use those colors. But look at that, it is so cute. I cannot get over how beautiful these are. I also want to decorate my front porch, even though it's like a little bit smaller, but I wanted to get something cute. So I found this beautiful, what is this called? A like a mat, a front door mat, and it says "Welcome to our patch." And it has a cute little truck with the pumpkins in the back. I feel like this one would pair really nice with a different oh my gosh, I forgot what they're called, but you layer them on the bottom. It's just for decoration. They're mats as well, and they have like a buffalo plaid one that I've seen at Walmart. So I think that would look super super cute. I thought it was adorable, and I love black. I have a lot of black in my home, and for $5, like you cannot go wrong. I'm very much like a visual person, so I have to like visually imagine where my decoration is going. Otherwise, like I feel like I'm gonna spend money just because I want the things and not actually use them. So I was trying to imagine, okay, in my kitchen, I have this one corner where I have a sign that says "Let's eat," I believe, and then I have like a little pot next to it. So I need something to replace that. So because my kitchen does have white, gray, black, white, gray, and black. Yes. I saw this beautiful little pumpkin decor and I was like, that is going to go there. And again, I'm going to show you guys all this. We're going to decorate together once like it is the season. It says home sweet home and it's so good, you guys. Like, it has some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It's not thin. Like, it has a pretty nice thickness to it. And it's cute. It's so adorable. Like, from the dollar store, this one was $3, you guys. $3 for these. Again, these are much more expensive at Target, TJ Maxx, Joann's, you name it. They're like 15 bucks maybe. So for $3, I could not resist. And where I have the plant, I'm thinking of obviously removing that since we're doing a fall decor theme. And look at this one. Oh my gosh, tell me this is not gonna look so cute together. I think I'm gonna put it like this on the side. And then I saw this smaller one. I just wanted to add different like textures and different colors to them. So I figured I can just kind of like layer these and put these on top. How adorable. Oh my gosh. And then I also ended up grabbing this one. I don't know if I'm going to put this one in my kitchen because I do have other fall decor. So I just have to like pull everything out and see what I'm going to do. But they have so many pumpkins, you guys, like different material, different styles, different colors, just everything. They killed it this year with their fall decor. I always forget to go to the Dollar Tree. I'm not going to sleep on it anymore. So if you guys are wanting fall decor items, run, because they do sell out of items pretty quick, at least in my local Dollar Tree. And then you can't find anything because everything has been picked out. So I spent, let's see, 48 bucks, which is not bad, okay? For everything that I got, it's not bad. I could have easily spent $40 on like 2, maybe 3 items at like TJ Maxx again, Michael's, Joann's, things like that. This one was really cute. I love the plaid on top because I do have some plaid, I believe, in my living room, I believe. So I thought this one was really cute. It says Autumn Harvest Blessings. They had a lot of really cute signs like this. This one was, I believe, either $1.25. I'm pretty sure this was $1.25. So again, you can't go wrong with this. The colors are just really cute and you can put this anywhere. Not sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but I have to get it because it was just too cute. This one I was kind of iffy about, but I ended up just grabbing it. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice. This one I am thinking of adding it in my kitchen on top of my stove. I currently have a sign that says, "In this house we lick the spoon," which is so cute. So I'm going to take that one off and add this one and then maybe put like a little pumpkin on top or something. So definitely going to be just drenching my home in like pumpkins and everything fall themed. I ended up grabbing these 2 kitchen towels. I don't use these to actually dry my hands. I literally just use them for decoration purposes. Look at how cute these are. It says gather on both sides and it has a really pretty like a teal blue green color. They also had pumpkins that matched this color, but since I don't have that color themed in my kitchen or anywhere, I didn't pick them up. But this color is actually really pretty if you wanted to add a pop of color into your fall decor. So these were also $1.25. They also had plates, they had placemats, they had cups, they had so many things with this exact decor. Like I said, I literally wanted to lose my mind and buy everything, but I was like, okay, I need to see what I have at home first before I go crazy. So moving on, I have a coffee section, and in my coffee section I have my little coffee jar, my sugar jar. On the top I have a little coffee decor and then a plant. Now that plant, I am going to take it off, but I don't know what I'm going to replace it with yet. So I have to find like a smaller vase that is like fall theme. But look at how perfect this is. It says thankful and blessed, and it's like a little coffee mug with like whipped cream, and it's so perfect for my coffee station. So I grabbed that one, and then I saw this cute little gnome. How adorable is he? They had different colors, but again, since my theme is like orange and brown and things like that, I was like, this is perfect. I think this one might look cute in my entryway table, I think. So yeah, again, I'm excited to decorate with you guys. I'm definitely going to be doing that every year. So if you guys enjoy decorating videos, stay tuned for the next few weeks where I will show you how I decorate and you guys can help me decorate as well. The last two pumpkins, three pumpkins I got. This one was $1.25. It's just like a plain pumpkin. I was thinking of putting these two together maybe, where my coffee station is, either that one or this white one, since yeah, I think I'm gonna do this one to kind of like balance the orange tones. These are also really good, you guys. I got two of these. They had different colors. I think they had green and like a mossy green color, but these are super heavy. Like they have a nice weight to them. I think they're ceramic. I'm not sure. Or maybe they're like I don't know, but they're nice. They feel really nice. Like if you drop them, they're definitely gonna break, but they're super cute. I almost wish the stems were maybe like either like a bronze or a gold. I'm not a fan of the silver. This one looks cute, but not on this one. I don't love it, but it's okay. So those are the last pumpkins I got. Now for makeup, the only thing that I was able to find were lashes. So they didn't have a ton of makeup. I literally went aisle through aisle looking for the makeup. I was like, maybe it's in a different section, but no, they didn't have anything. They had like a bunch of like nail stuff. So of course I had to get some Ioni lashes. These are some of the best. Great quality. They feel like super high end for $1.25. So I got 4 out of these styles that I saw. These, by the way, at least in my Dollar Tree, they were by the Halloween decor section. Like you had to have looked for them, otherwise you totally miss them. So these are the Ioni High collection, I believe. Yep, these are the fluffy full dramatic doll. These are faux mink lashes. They are super lightweight. They have a flexible band, so they're gonna be really comfortable. These look really pretty if you love a full lash. Then we have the fluffy long spiky clusters. These are gonna be also a little bit more dramatic, long. I love the little clusters. I think they really make your eyes look like doll eyes. And then we have the fluffy long crisscross doll. These are probably going to be some of my favorite, I think. They are really pretty. And the packaging is actually really cute as well. And then the last style that I got are the fluffy medium full cat eye. The other lashes that I didn't buy were a little more on the natural shorter side, which is totally not my style. So if you guys are looking for some lashes, or if you are a fan of the Ioni lashes, definitely don't sleep on the Ioni High collection because these are really cute, and they had a few more styles. These were just the ones that really caught my eye. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that I got from Dollar Tree. $1.25 for most of these items. Like I said, I spent almost 50 bucks, which is really not bad at all. So really proud of myself for controlling my spending, because mama can definitely, like, mama likes to shop, okay? But for the price, I couldn't help myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's Dollar Tree haul / fall decor and some makeup. If you guys do want to see a full face using Dollar Tree makeup, let me know, and I can just go to several Dollar Trees because we have a ton here locally. So I can just kind of like hop around and try to get a full face. But let me know what your favorite fall decor items are, and I hope you guys are excited for the upcoming fall decor decorate with me video. I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my pumpkin spice drink. I hope you guys enjoy your cafecito. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.